I'm so excited to share with you a very important update that is coming up next week, and that is releasing new characters. But the question is, will they look different? Well, that's what we're going to find out. Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Ali, and in this video, I'm going to share with you an important update in CreateStudio 3 based on a recent email that we got earlier today from Thomas about updating to the latest version. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So like I said, we've got an email earlier today from the team behind CreateStudio saying that there's an important update. Get ready for exciting new characters. And I'm so pumped to share this information with you. But before we dive deeper, I want to share with you a quick disclaimer that this is not a sneak peek of anything. Like you, I'm just a user. And so all I'm sharing with you is the information I received from Thomas earlier today. And so I want to make sure that whoever watches my video, they update their software to the latest version so they can have a seamless experience. And so this is what the email says. We just rolled out a crucial technical update to our app, and it's really important for you to download it. And they got a link for you. So again, if you did not receive that email, I will have a link in the description below. So you can go ahead and download, install the latest version, and make sure that you are up to date. So when they release new characters, you will have a seamless experience. So the reason you're doing that is, first of all, like they said, you need to be on the latest version. And because when adding new characters, this is something maybe you didn't know about, is that it doesn't require an update to the software. You'll just have to close the software or close your account and reopen it again. And then voila, you're going to have the new characters added to your account. So again, this is what the email says. This update sets the stage for some seriously cool stuff we've got in the pipeline, including some amazing new characters that will be dropping next week. So again, the update is going to happen next week is when we are going to receive the new characters. So what's the deal with this update? Well, it's all about ensuring that our future characters will work seamlessly inside CreateStudio, giving you even more creative freedom and possibilities to bring your projects to life. Trust us, you're going to love what's coming. You won't notice any new features, but it's essential to ensure our next character's release works for you. And again, they have another link for you in there. Once you're all set up, you stay tuned for the next week. Big reveal. We've been working hard behind the scenes and we can't wait to share the results with you. Here's the download page. And as you can see, the latest version is 3.3.4. So you got to make sure that you're on the latest version, and you can go ahead and download it using the link above that is download.createstudiopro.com. Again, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So make sure you go ahead and download and install CreateStudio and you're up to date so that when new characters released, you are good to go. As always, if you have any questions or you have anything to say, you just don't hesitate to contact their support team. So again, this email is all about asking all users to update to the latest version so they can have a seamless experience when the new characters are released. Now, I've got something else that I want to share with you today in this video, and this is going to be a feature request. I thought I'd share this with whoever watches this video so they can go ahead and make the request as well, because I've had this idea for a long time. And so I wanted to see if this is something that's easy to implement, and hopefully the team at CreateStudio is listening to this, although I will go ahead and make my feature request as well. But I want to share this with everybody so that you can, if you like the idea, you can also go ahead and share your request, and hopefully it's something easy to implement. So basically what I have in mind is that instead of designing and rigging new characters, what they can do instead, they can simply add more props into the customization panel, where we can have different body shapes and face shapes and more facial expressions and more clothes in the wardrobe. That's basically what we're asking for. So if, in my opinion, that's what I think is that it's going to be a lot easier for us to design our own characters inside the application, exactly how we're doing it with all the 4 characters that we currently have, except that the team doesn't have to design and rig characters, from scratch. So all they got to do is add some props for us and the customization, and we can go, we can be creative in our own way. And make our characters however we like. So in order for you to submit your feature request, this is what you want to do. You want to go into the CreateStudio support channel. I'll share a link to that as well in the description below. Once you log in, this is what you want to do. You go onto the on top right, and then simply click on start a conversation. And then from there, you just choose feature requests. and then, add your subject and then the message. So that's basically what you want to do in order to submit your feature. And hopefully this will be something easy for the team to implement. And as always, have fun creating. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and stay tuned for more tutorials coming up your way.
Hello!